Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to find your Instagram QR code in 2025. Using the updated method is the fastest way to share your profile with friends, clients, or anyone. No need to type your username anymore. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Once you're in the app, tap your profile picture in the lower right corner to get your profile page. Right below your name and bio, you'll now see a share profile button. Tap that. You'll immediately see your personal QR code pop up. From here, you can customize it with different colors, different emojis, or even selfie stickers to make it fun and unique. Tap the share icon to send it via messages, email, or social media, or copy the link. You can even download to save it to your gallery. And that's it. That's how to find and personalize your Instagram QR code in just a few taps in 2025.